Okay, fuse is installed, and as I mentioned, this is a always on circuit, and my switch is off right now. When I turn my switch on, I get my my readout. So I'm going to assume that the brand new plug is good and my USBs will work, but I will test that later. And now I've opened up my 12 volt DC for other purposes. When you're routing the wires for your install, especially if you're going up over the clutch, brake, and gas pedal, you want to make sure that you do a nice, neat, clean job and that the wires are out of the way and won't get tangled in any pedals down here and possibly short something out. But pretty much that's it. I hope this benefits somebody. Maybe you have a different vehicle and you think this might be a good idea for your vehicle. You know, the benefit of knowing what your battery voltage is also a plus. So let's see what happens when we start the car.
Connected camera that somebody can tunnel in to their network at that point.
Yeah. Initially the voltage dropped, and you can see it's right up there at 14 volts, just about where it should be. So good luck. Check you later. As you can see, also my my ashtray lights are on. That's on a separate circuit, and it comes on with the headlights. Headlights are on, headlights are off. Okay, that's it.